I mean, I know that you talk about a lot of like procedural stuff, but like it's nice to see the human being behind.
Yeah, we went to Disney yesterday. So there you go. We took the whole family to Disney yesterday. So we did the Disney experience. So yeah, my daughter's 7. She turned 7 years old, and so we took the whole family. We went to Disney and just planned that, and it was incredible. We had her. We set something up where it was crazy. It was awesome. It was like a princess thing. So it dressed her up like a princess, and they spent like an hour and a half. They made her this. It was just awesome. The treatment they gave her, and she was able to walk around the park and dressed like a princess. Everyone was so nice with her. She had the most amazing time all day, and it was the best experience. And that day I turned my phone off. I just turned it off, and I told my staff, if it's an emergency, that's fine, but it better be an emergency. An emergency is not, well, I don't know what to do, or my command's upset, and we have systems in place so that could be handled. So we planned that, and it was amazing. And you have to do that, because if you don't do that, you're going to be unbalanced. You're going to have a great professional life and no family life. Your kids aren't going to like you. You're going to be miserable. And then what happens? You start having unhealthy habits. You're having family. Let's say you have an attorney that does what I do, and they're not balanced. There's a lot of them out there. So now what happens? They have family issues at home. They have issues with their kids at home. They turn to alcohol, and now they have alcohol issues or drug issues. All this is prevalent in being a trial lawyer, particularly one that travels a lot. So how the hell would I be able? Let's play this out. Let's say I had marital issues at home, marital strife. I had issues with my kids, disciplinary issues. They were getting in trouble. They hated dad, and so I started drinking all the time. And now I'm doing drugs, and you have all these issues. How the hell am I going to be a peak performer and be able to travel to Asia to defend someone's life when I don't have my own house in order? How can I take care of someone else when my house isn't in order? And so you see that, and you see a lot of attorneys, in particular trial attorneys. This also happens, with surgeons and very high demand professions where they burn out and they have not midlife crises, but they're turning to alcohol and they turn to drugs and their life falls apart and they get divorced. And if you're battling all of that personally, you're not going to be 100%, probably not even 50% for your clients. And so you've got to, if you don't take care of yourself, this is why I always talk about why it's so important to get, so, for me, getting into the gym and fitness is very important with me. The family is very important, having outlets, having the proverbial, go to the racetrack and go drive the car and all that. It's not because I'm some egomaniac. I don't give a crap what people think. I do that so I can decompress. And we take trips like we did Disney for my daughter yesterday. We'll go do a vacation, maybe in the Smokies, or do something so we can have high quality family time. And I'm not talking or thinking about sexual assault defense all the time. It allows you to be balanced, and frankly, it allows you to be a hell of a lot better trial attorney. And anyone that doesn't understand that, you think you're a superhero now, but give it 5-10 years and it's never going to work, or you'll be out of the business, or the burnout rate, or God forbid you turn into a raging alcoholic or into drugs. And there's all these pitfalls that come with that. Sometimes people can recover from them, sometimes they can't. But if you're battling these demons inside yourself, or you're battling these demons in your life, then all of your time and your effort and your mental horsepower are going to be going to battling your own demons and not trying to take care of someone else's. If you want to reach out to me and do a consultation and take this to the next level, give me a call at 813-669-3500 or reach out to us on our website, www.bileckilawgroup.com.